Hi. You might remember me. I was on that screen about 30 minutes ago. Since then, we've been having a beautiful British barbecue. I have a burger in hand. Rare, obviously, because the coal's covered in water. And as you can see, we've been cooking a few other things. Dogs around here. Look how disappointed Max is. He's covered in water. That's why he's disappointed. Under here, we have char grilled chicken. It's getting a bit black. It's ready to eat, afraid of chicken eggs. But it's not.
Chicken eggs.
Well cooked. Now, if you're in California or Australia, fine. You have lovely sunny days. We don't in the UK.
Oh.
We get about, that's thunder. We get about 100 days a year without rain or sunshine. And we have to make do because it's just a bit too difficult otherwise. So on Saturday evenings we have no reason to not have a barbecue because it's going to be like this anyway. It was sunny earlier and now it's horrible. But anyway, I'm going to go back to enjoying my burger and you shall go back to enjoying the laughter of us idiots having a barbecue for free. For now.